A student group from the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, has lent a hand to a nearby Bainawan community in Laguna in their own simple way. The students gave gifts and shared their time with the community.
The Samahan ng mga mag-aaral ng Teknolohiyang Panlipunan of the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, or STPUPLB, aim to start the year right by reaching out to the children at the Southville 7 at Bayaniwan in Calauan, Laguna.
Nilalayon po namin na makatulong sa mga tao na, lalo na po yung mga tao na naapektuhan ng mga natural catastrophes.
With the donation they have raised themselves, the college students gave joy to the kids and became their newfound brothers and sisters even just for a day.
Kita po talaga namin na natuwa sila sa activity na to, kaya kami rin ay lubos na natutuwa.
Through activities as these, the children forget their past as they find their strength in young people like them, leaving only good memories that they will treasure as they move forward with their lives.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng binigay nila.
Yung kaligayahan ninyong yan, baunin nyo yan hanggang sa paglaki ninyo.
Kami ang STPUPLB, walang iwanan sa Bayaniwan!